What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can resolve the problem of having not enough memory RAM inside your Photoshop file whenever you just go and click on save as. So I was editing Photoshop, I got the problem of not enough memory, so let me just go and click on save as, and there you see could not complete save as because there is not enough RAM. So that was the problem. Now I have found the solution of that, and let me teach you how we can go and do that. So let me just go and open up software that is REGEDIT. So just go and Control C on your keyboard, click on it and search it. So after clicking on enter, you will get a prompt that is going to say yes. After that, you have to go on insert Photoshop in new D32. You just have to copy this one, and so after you open registered editor, you will get H key current users. Inside that, you have to click on softwares. Inside softwares, you just have to go on Adobe because that's what Adobe Photoshop is. Inside that, you have to go on Photoshop, click on it, right click, new DWORD 32 value, okay, hit on enter, and then you just have to replace it with override physical memory MB. Click on it and right click and modify it, click on decimal, and you have to add the value of 16,000 and hit on OK. So let me just go and right click, modify, click on decimal, and then change it to 16,000, hit on OK, close this one, don't save it, click on no, and you just have to go and do something, that is reopen the Photoshop. After that, you just have to go on file, recent, Android Photoshop. If you need to learn Android development, you have a course on my channel. Click on 30 and I'm going to make a thumbnail out of it. So this is going to be to dice complete, MBNETE, and then file, save as. And there you go, there is not a problem on it, and you can go and click on file, save as. I'm going to go and save it as PNG part 30, and that's about it. Ludo dice, and click on save, and there you go, my thumbnail is ready and I made a video out of it just by teaching you that. So see you guys in the next one. If you have any problem, do comment it down below. I will try to resolve that, and I'll see you guys next time.